Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 35 of our CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial. In today's session, we shall learn how to investigate a model and clearly understand the parent-child relationship between the features. These topics is extremely important for editing models, fixing update errors, and handling complex design in CATIA V5. CATIA has tools available that can help you to investigate a model. These tools can be used to determine how a model was made and check the types of parent-child relationship that exist. Let's go to CATIA. Here you can see a model, a 3D model is created. So as we create features in the specification tree is populated. Here, as you know, when we create different features like pad, draft, edge fillet, holes, and other features, the specification tree is populated one by one. When we create the pad, the first one is pad over here, and another pad, the draft, the edge fillets, it is get added and populated one by one in the specification tree. Use the specification tree to determine how a model was made. Features are added to the tree in the order of creation. In the specification tree, you can see how a model is created or made. Features are added to the tree in the order of creation. Like here, we have create the pad first, the pad, the first, this one, the base of this model, then the pad, the concept, then we give the draft angle to both the pads, and then the edge fillet. One by one, the features are added in the tree in the order of creation. Children cannot exist in the tree before their parent. For example, in the first feature in the specification tree, on the right is a pad. Here you can see this is a pad. Move your pointer over the pad in the tree to highlight the pad in the model. The specification tree is useful while making selection rather than selecting features directly. In the specification tree, you can select the features easily rather than selecting feature directly. Here I want to select this pad. In the specification tree, I can easily select this pad and edit the pad feature. But if I want to select here, you can see if I click on here, this is only I can edit the draft. So it is always helpful to select the feature in specification tree if you want to edit the feature. Like here, I want to increase the length to 60 mm. Now I can easily edit in the specification tree. Model scan. How you can scan a model. Model scan helps you to review the creation of model or feature at a time. You can use this tool to see step by step replay of how a model made by another designer was created. To use this tool, click on edit, scan or define in work object. Edit, scan or define in work object. Like here, click on here, edit, scanner. Here you can see how this model is created previously. This is a pad. If I click on geometry is up to date, first you can see the sketch is created, then first this one, play update, In this way you can scan your model, how this model is created. Here let's go again, go to the first step and click on this play update button. So you can see first the pad is created, then this pad and so on, then the draft, then the edge fillet, then the holes, then the circular patterns, and again this hole, the center hole and the chamfer. In this way you can check or scan your model how this model is created, even this is created by you or created by another designer as well. In this way you can use, we can investigate the model in CATIA. Next one is parent child. The parent child tools display all the parents and children of a selected feature. You can use this tool to check the different types of relationship that exist in a model. To use the parent child tool, right click here in any feature and you can find the parent child command. Click on here. You can see what are the different the parents and child relationship. In the parent child relationship window, the reference that exist between the features either through the process of creation or by association, or are called parent child relationships. Here you can see the sketch is the main parent, then we create the pad. This is the pad is the child to the sketch 1, while the pad 1 is the parent of hole 1, sketch 3, edge fillet 1, draft 1 and sketch 2. All these are associated linked with the pad 1 and also with sketch 1, indirectly with the sketch 1 and directly with the pad 1. This way you can check your parent child relationship between your 3D models or sketch or features. We have checked the pad 1 first, so let's go and select pad 2 and check the parent child relationship. Here as well the sketch 2 is the parent and pad 2 is the child for the sketch 2, while pad 2 is the parent of chamfer 1, hole 2, circular pattern and draft. In this way we can check our parent child relationship between the different features in CATIA. CATIA we can investigate a failed feature as well in by using the parent child relationship. When a model fails to update, CATIA highlights the failed features. Sometimes we just create, or because of some errors the feature gets failed, like here. Here this diagnose error in CATIA. Then CATIA highlights the fail feature. Here you can see the fail features are highlighted here, the whole and these are. We can use the parent child relationship in the whole, and here you can check the parent child relationship. What is the problem in the sketch 3? You can see in sketch 3 is the parent, then the whole, then the pad. Pad is indirect to the hole and the circular pattern. These two, hole is creating the error. This is linked to sketch 3. Edit the parent sketch or replace missing reference. Here if we edit the parent sketch means the sketch 3. Let's go edit the parent sketch. Here this is outside of the model. Here what we will do, we will change the value. this value is 40, and again this value is 40. Now click on the exit workbench. Now you can see my model is updated automatically. So in this way we can investigate the fail features in CATIA V5 using parent-child relationship. Investigate or edit. So today we learn how to investigate a CATIA model, understand parent-child relationship, fix errors confidently using editing tools. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comments your question, subscribe to Enginuity Lab for more CATIA V5 professional tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.